I am Abdullah Mamun, lecturer in English, Daulatpur Girls Degree College, Daulatpur, Kustia. Everybody knows that our educational system is very harmful due to coronavirus, COVID-19. Our government and our principals of the institutions advised to and ordered to take online class for the benefit of the students. So I invite all the students of Daulatpur Girls Degree College to join my online class. I have taken many classes for the students. Now I have also taken a online class and invite to join the students and listen my online class. I have discussed about the first paper's 5 noun questions. I have introduced my syllabus to the students. I have got without clause question number 5. I have written a passage and some places are without any words, so these gaps will be filled up. Now this passage is read now. Sports are a popular form of entertainment. Many international sporting events are dash from time to time. Most of the events are dash by multinational manufacturing dash and business firms. They play for the sports events in dash for the right to dash their products. During those events dash those events are dash worldwide by satellite and people all over the world was their dash as a dash the sports sponsors products receive maximum media dash. Thus sports help the dash of trade and commerce. These gaps will be filled up. Here we show the correct answer of these gaps. These gaps will be filled up according to the rule of right form of verbs or words and the meaning of these passages. So I show to you these gaps will be filled up according to the meanings and according to the rules of words and right forms of verb. Sports are a popular form of entertainment. Many international sporting events are dash from time to time. Now here we can use organized. Here we can use the correct answer organized. So organized, this is arranged. This means arranged from time to time. Most of the events are dash. Most of the events are dash. Sponsored. 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 Here we can use the word sponsored. This is the passive form. This sentence is made by passive form. So we can use here the right form of according to the right form of verb, the verb 3 or past participle by the multinational manufacturing dash companies. Here we can use the correct form of companies. Companies. Companies and business firms. So here the companies is many. So these words will be plural forms. Now no company. Here we used the correct answer is companies and business firm. They pay for the sports event in dash. Exchange. 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 Here we can use the word exchange. They pay for the sports events in exchange for the right to dash. Right to dash. Here we can use advise, advertise, advertise, and advertise, advertise. Now here we can advertise. Here we can use advertise. Here these words will be infinitive, so we cannot use s or es or v3. Here we can use the base form of a verb. No, according to the meaning we can use advertise, advertise to their products during those events, So when the play or events will be continue, that's time their payment company will be introduce their products to their people, so we can use the advertise. Now those events are dash worldwide, telecast or broadcast, telecast or broadcast, telecast or broadcast, telecast or broadcast. Here telecast, when the events will be continue, that events will be telecast worldwide by satellite and people all over the world, watch them live. These events will be continue, all the people all over the world watch them live. So here we can use the right word as a right word is live. Not, this word is not verb. These words must be noun, live, not live. As a dash, as a result. According to the meaning or as a phrase, we can use result. As a result. This phrase will be appropriate, or this word is appropriate according to the meaning of the passage. As a result, dash, the sponsored products receive maximum media coverage. Here, according to the meaning, we can use the words coverage. Here, according to the meaning, the right word will be used here, coverage. Now, thus sports help the dash of sponsored the sports help the sponsored sponsored. Sponsored. Here we can use the word sponsored according to the meaning. Sponsored of trade and commerce. These words will be accurate here. Now these dashes will be solved by the teachers Abdullah Mamun. Here you can find out any problem to understand, to connect these numbers 0, 1, 7, 1, 8, 6, 5, 9, 7, 3, 7. This is the contact number. If you do not understand clearly these passages, so that time you will contact me these numbers 0, 1, 7, 1, 8, 6, 5, 9, 7, 3, 7. Now for today, thank you all the students to join my online class. Okay.